The information in the video shows an incident on October 21st, 2021 in Paris, France. Heavy rains resulted in flooding in many areas of the capital, disrupting traffic that was caused by the storm Aurore. After public transport, some trees and roofs, it was car traffic that suffered from the consequences of the storm Aurore in Paris. In the late afternoon, a heavy downpour caused flooding in many roads. It was the second round of the storm that laid down around 100 trees overnight from Wednesday to Thursday. In the afternoon, heavy rains hit Paris and series were laden with the previous night's rain. As a result, it took only a few minutes for the gutters to handle with the flow of water. No consequences have been reported in the underground. The sun will make its return on October 23rd according to the Meteo France forecasts. The weekend will be sunny. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.